In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your AI shout using Elevenlabs. Whether you're trying to emphasize a point, convey excitement, or simply add some flair to your project, making your AI voice shout can really grab attention. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to access your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once there, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be writing the content you want your AI to deliver in a bold and shouting manner. Now, the secret to making your text sound like it's being shouted is to use all caps. Writing in all uppercase letters gives the impression of shouting, a technique that's become universal in digital communication. It's a simple yet effective way to translate written text into spoken emphasis. To further enhance this effect, don't forget to apply strong emphasis. The strong emphasis setting in your text-to-speech tool will mimic the intensity of yelling, making sure the AI voice delivers your message just as you intend, loud and clear. Remember, you're not just amplifying the volume, you're infusing the text with energy and passion. Another tip is to integrate exclamation marks into your script. Exclamation marks are punctuation cues for excitement or urgency. When used correctly, they prompt the AI to inject a spirited tone into its delivery. However, it's important to use them judiciously to maintain a natural-sounding shout and to avoid over-exaggeration. Finally, let's talk about stability. In the context of AI voice synthesis, stability refers to how controlled and consistent the output is. You'll want to increase the stability setting to ensure that while your AI voice is shouting, it doesn't lose clarity or become distorted. This feature helps maintain the quality of the sound, ensuring that the shout is both powerful and intelligible. A controlled shout is much more effective and pleasant to listen to, making sure your audience captures every word. These steps might seem straightforward, but together they create a compelling shout effect using the Elevenlabs platform. By combining all caps, strong emphasis, exclamation marks, and increased stability, you can craft an AI voice that not only shouts effectively, but does so while maintaining clarity and control. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be able to enhance your AI projects with dynamic voice elements that can captivate your listeners. Whether you're working on a creative project, a presentation, or a digital assistant, this technique can help convey the intensity and character you're aiming for. Try it out for yourself and see just how transformative these simple adjustments can be. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Elevenlabs.